Hello children, hope you all are safe and studying. Today we will see a lesson for 9th standard, that is the best advice I ever had, which is written by Mrs. Vijayalakshmi Pandit. So before starting the lesson we will just have an introduction about author Mrs. Vijayalakshmi Pandit. She was in between 1900 to 1990. She was an Indian diplomat, politician, and she was the sister of our first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. She was active in Indian freedom movement and held high national and international positions. She was greatly influenced by Mahatma Gandhi. In 1953, she became the first woman president of United Nations General Assembly. She died in the year 1990. Considering all her elegance, courage and dedication, experts in politician have told that she was an asset to the nation. So, I'll show you the picture of Mrs. Vijayalakshmi Pandit. As I told, she was a sister of our Prime Minister, our first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru and Mrs. Vijayalakshmi Pandit. So, before starting, please ask yourself a question, that what is the best advice or advices you ever follow in your lives. So children, day by day we will be going through many difficulties or many awkward situations, isn't it? So what is the best advice you ever adopt in your lives to come out of those situations? Okay, just think about it. So this lesson is also based on some advices which was received by Mrs. Vijayalakshmi Pandit by Mahatma Gandhi ji. So Mahatma Gandhi ji, Mrs. Pandit considered Mahatma Gandhi ji as a well-wisher, and she had a great love and affection to Mahatma Gandhi ji. And she also considered Gandhi ji as her godfather. So here Gandhi ji had given her some suggestions or advice which helped her in her life to come out of many awkward situations. We will see what are those. And this is an article which she has written to as a tribute to Gandhi ji. Okay. So what happened in 1944? Mrs. Vijayalakshmi Pandit lost her husband. According to the Indian antiquated law, a widow, a lady who had lost her husband, will not be having a family share when she doesn't have a son. Same thing happened with Mrs. Vijayalakshmi Pandit. She was lost her husband in 1944 and she did not have a son. She had 2 daughters. So her in-laws were refused to give her a share from family property. So in that moment she faced many financial problems. She had so much of problems while carrying 2 children. It's not easy to survive in the world without the family support and without financial support. But she was courage enough to deal with that. And during that time, what was the thing, women were not allowed to come out of the house. No, I hope you all know about this. But still, Vijayalakshmi Pandit had a courage to come out of the home and to work. And as I given you all an introduction about Vijayalakshmi Pandit, she involved herself in a freedom movements. So when she lost her husband and she was undergoing some awkward situations, she got to go to America as a leader to attend, as an ambassador, Indian ambassador, to attend a conference. So before going to America, she went to Gandhi ji to give her a respect, to pay her respect. So when she went to meet Gandhi ji suggested her, Gandhi ji advised her to go and meet her in-laws. Before going to America, he told her, go and meet your in-laws and say them a goodbye and go. But Vijayalakshmi Pandit said, whatever the situations I'm facing today, that is only because of my in-laws. I will never go. I just don't want to see their face also again. But Gandhiji tried to, convince her, but all the time she was refusing itself. Gandhiji told, you should have courage to come out of that situation, and also told that you have to clean your heart first. See children, when we are sad or angry with our family or our friends, is it easy to come out of that situation? No, we'll have to sit, sort out the things, then only we can be happy with others also, isn't it? So the same thing Gandhiji also told her to do. You'll have to clean your heart first, then only you can find happiness outside. When you're sad inside, when you're not happy with yourself first, it's difficult to find happy outside. This is the thing Gandhiji told her. It was there in her mind for many days. So before going, she called her brother-in-law. Finally, she called her brother-in-law and she said, so and so, I'm going to America and I want to meet the family. Finally, she could manage to meet the family, and even when she went to meet the family also, they also treated her cordially. She was treated well, okay, good, nothing much quarrel and all. And finally she went to America for a conference as an Indian ambassador. So there also her conference was also went so well, and after the conference she felt that some burden had felt down, some burden had left down. So she felt so free after the conference, because that that thing, the family issues were all going in her mind. So before going to the conference she sorted out. So she felt, okay, somewhere Gandhiji's advice was worked out. He helped me to come out of this situation. Okay, this is the first situation she handled only because of the Gandhiji's advice. Okay children, some few situations also there she explained in the lesson that we will see in a next video. Hope you all understand. Thank you.